Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Naturally Speaking Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to use the mouse and to drag the mouse hands-free, not using the mouse with not using the keyboard. Now, this is especially useful outside of a word processing program that is set up to use Dragon Naturally Speaking. So you could use it on the internet to select text or to move around on the internet as well. But here, just for the sake of making things easy, I'm going to show you how to use it right here in Microsoft Word. So of course we have to start by waking up the microphone. Wake up, drag mouse down. Faster, faster. Stop, drag mouse down. Faster, 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 faster. Stop, stop. Go to sleep. So at this point, I could do whatever I want with that. I could cut it. I could cut it and paste it. I could delete it. I could move it around wherever I want. I'll just show you a little bit more how to use the drag mouse option. Wake up. Mouse click. Move mouse up. Stop. Drag mouse up. Faster. 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 Stop. Go to sleep. So you can see it's not the quickest option for moving a mouse. Anybody who has use of their hands, this really isn't something that you could use, but I have limited use of my hands, so I use it quite often, and it's great for people who have limited mobilities in their hands. So this is the drag mouse up, drag mouse down command within Dragon Naturally Speaking. Again, you can use it across a broad amount of programs, not with just within your your text or your document writing programs. So once again, I am Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and I look forward to giving you some more tips in the future. You could subscribe to my YouTube channel right here on this page, or you could visit my website, which is also right here on this page. See you soon.